Clément from the Big Magi team. You all know the great magician Jean Pierre Vallarino. And today we're bringing you the ultimate version of one of his classics. Welcome to Ultimate Prediction.
Greg, today I'd like you to experience an effect by Jean Pierre Vallarino. I'm going to show you the effect and you'll be discovering it for the first time. I'm going to start by making a prediction. On a little piece of post-it, on a post-it, sorry. Okay, you're not watching what I'm doing.
I'm not looking, so I'm not
showing it to the camera. And I'm going to leave it clearly visible. We'll stick it on the card case. That way, the thing will be in plain sight. I'm also going to... We'll just take the card. These are all the cards. There you go. You're here. We're going to take about, let's see, roughly, big on my back, about half the cards, half for you, half for me. This isn't a trick that relies on a coincidence in the game. I'm not counting on coincidence for the prediction to work. Coincidences aren't that easy to create. We're going to try to do it together. We'll cut the deck together and see if we can create some coincidences. Well, not this time. Let's try again. 2 black cards. Well, come on, that's for sure.
2 is not bad.
All right, here we go. See, it's not that obvious. If we had been really lucky, we could have ended up with 2 twin cards. That would have already been pretty good. We're going to do even better than that. Please spread the cards out in front of you. There you go. And with the tip of your finger, touch one. I want to stress that you really touch whichever one you want. It's a completely free choice. Whichever one you want. This one. The 3 of spades. You can take out your 3 of spades. Let's put the cards away, and I'll put away the rest of the cards. I don't need the cards anymore. We'll put them back in the case. You remember that from the beginning, I had a prediction stuck to the box?
Okay,
You could have touched whichever one you wanted.
we agree on that. Well,
As you can clearly see, this specific prediction is absolutely perfect.
wow, that is truly incredible.